7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waresford, or 17 miles north of Westchester, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Souderton, Collegeville, Royersford, Chalfont, Trapp, Hatfield, Dublin, Schwenksville, Green Lane, Fricks, Puttown, Spring Mount, Gilbertsville, and Shadarville. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 28 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning.
Wow.
Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, and Montgomery.